Unbelievable, right above.
Holding short for takeoff. Golf Foxtrot Hotel Kilo City Tower 3309 lifting 16, cleared takeoff for 96.
So we finally made it to Buttonville and airport, and right now we're in a hotel. As you can tell, the view is not bad. We're in Markham, which is just north of a couple miles north of Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
Canada? Wow! Must have been cold.
So when I landed, the guy from the avionics, not avionics, but the local shop, aviation shop, was sort of pointing a finger to me, trying to get my attention. So we shut down the airplane, and he approached me and told me that, hey, your plane again was making that funny noise when you were on the runway and when you taxied back. So we took the cowling off. He checked it. It says, yeah. And I mentioned to him what happened in Linden, and he said, yep, that's what it looks to me as well. So I had no choice but to say, let's do it. Let's change the starter. And last Friday, it was Friday, so obviously they couldn't complete it. And anyway, the weather is not very good, as you can tell. Right now, it's pretty cloudy. There's thunderstorm activity in the area. I was going to leave today, which today is Monday, but it doesn't look good, and probably will be leaving tomorrow. So anyway, he changed the starter. He ordered the starter, not changed it, on Friday, and they don't work over the weekend, even though I offered him that I would pay him extra for it. The head mechanic told me that the other mechanics were just out of town. Most of them are out of town, and he cannot even get one, even for if I were to pay more. So it's all for the best. So this is Monday at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I just called them up to see what's going on. They told me, yeah, it's done, all done and ready to go. The damage is about $1,700. However, there's a silver lining there that it's in Canadian. So American cost me $1,300 to replace the starter. Anyway, so we're hoping tomorrow morning we'll be able to leave and fly towards Nashville, where you're going to make the big tour here. We'll keep you posted. And Mahani is working on hair things on the computer. Okay, so say hello. Mahani's here as well. Say hello. And we'll catch you later. Bye.
That's fantastic.
November 22336, traffic at your 11 o'clock, 5 miles on direction, Cessna 172, 1,500 on a pipeline control.
Looking for traffic, Cherokee 22336. Unbelievable, right above.
Holding short for takeoff. Golf Foxtrot Hotel Kilo City Tower 3309 lifting 16, cleared takeoff for 96.
Wow. Beautiful, huh?
Roger, we're already behind them. City Center, this is Papa Golf Yankee, Foxtrot Papa Golf Yankee, Cessna 172.
Foxtrot Papa Golf Yankee, City Tower Squawk 5332. Papa Tango, City Tower Squawk 5334.
5334 on the way, Echo Papa Tango.
336, tower to a left turn, get south of the shoreline, descend to 1,700.
South of the shoreline, descend to 1,700, Cherokee 22336.
November 22336, surveillance service terminates. Contact Hamilton Tower for transit to their zone, 125.0.
125.0, was that the frequency, Cherokee 22336?
It is, and it is for Hamilton Tower.
Thank you, Cherokee 22336. Hamilton Tower, Cherokee 22336 at 3,500, request transition through your airspace.
November 22336, Hamilton Tower, good day, altimeter 29901, squawk out in.
Ident, Cherokee 22336. Go ahead, ident. That's it.
Bravo India Lima, November 22336 Tower, you're identified 3,700 feet, just west bridge. You're clear to the control zone.
Roger, clear for the aerospace. Cherokee 22336. Now we left Lake Ontario, and we're going to go to Lake Erie now. So just an update, right now we're on with Cleveland ATC controllers, and we're going to be crossing United States soon on our way to, good question?
Toledo.
Toledo, thank you. My co-pilot knows better than me. And just to mention to you what happened when I was in Buttonville. Actually, originally my plan was to fly to Niagara again because I was familiar with that route, but the weather was not really good. It was marginal, and I didn't feel comfortable flying into Niagara. Marginal weather. So I struck up a conversation. I met this another pilot. His name is Richard. I don't know his last name. Very helpful. He suggested to me, why don't you go to what was the name again?
Toledo.
Toledo, Ohio. Go, a different route, and you'll get better weather. And sure enough, I checked it, double checked, and it looked good. So I had to change all my plans, all our plans. My co-pilot was getting a little bit frustrated because it's more delays. However,
That was 5289 Cleveland Center.
the silver lining was that this route actually saved us 1 hour. So we broke even. We were 1 hour late, and we gained 1 hour. So we broke even, but better weather. So I'm happy. And I think my co-pilot is happy too.
No,
Zuckerberg, why not?
because to me, I cannot, you know what, I cannot take it.
It's frustrating, I don't know.
We were the 12th plane going out, even though we arrived at 7 o'clock. And we were in 2 planes which came in the 4 hours that we were there. 4 hours.
Well, the weather couldn't leave early anyway. We're just hoping that we could get there early, that we could leave, but the weather wasn't there.
Yeah, but how come that 11 other planes left?
They didn't go to Niagara. Around Buttonville, the weather was okay, but Niagara was bad. That's what happened. And I wasn't willing to go to Niagara and marginal. It's just, there are too many obstacles there. Towers, high towers, 2,000 feet.
Listen, you do either your license so that you can fly, or let's just do short flights and that's it.
About 5 miles we're going to cross United States border, at least on this lake. I think it's the one
over there, this green field.
Yeah, looks like the airport, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to test.
Number 336, you have Port Clinton in sight.
Affirmative, Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved, and squawk VFR. You too, Cherokee 22336, press VFR. VFR?
Number 3 Echo Bravo, advise Wadsworth in sight.
Runway 02, Wadsworth traffic.
Erie, Ottawa, traffic, Cherokee midfield. Join left downwind, runway 36. Erie, Ottawa. Erie, Ottawa, Cherokee turning final, runway 36. Erie, Ottawa. Not very good.
We'll keep you posted. And Mahani's working on pair things on the computer. And say hello. Oops,
Hello.
I'm with my underwear.
What?
I'm with my underwear.
Oh.